For anyone stepping into the world of confidential finance, a core question is, how safe is Beam Wallet for your money? The Beam Wallet is a self-custody wallet. This is the first and most crucial security feature. It means you, and only you, are in control of your funds. The wallet itself doesn't hold your money, it holds the keys to access your Beam coins on the blockchain. The primary layer of defense is your seed phrase, a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the ultimate key. If you lose it, your funds are gone. If a scammer gets it, your funds are gone. Beam repeatedly emphasizes, never share this phrase. Write it down, store it offline, and treat it like the cash in a safe deposit box. Beyond the seed phrase, the wallet software is built on robust privacy technology. Beam uses the Mimblewimble and LalantisMW protocols, which are designed to keep transaction details like the sender, receiver, and amount completely confidential on the blockchain. This enhanced privacy is itself a security feature, making you a smaller target. On a device level, your private keys are stored locally, encrypted with your strong wallet password. The native Beam wallet and other supported wallets, like Kraken Wallet or Trust Wallet, offer additional protections such as PIN and biometric authentication to prevent unauthorized access to the app on your phone or desktop. For the highest level of security, Beam supports integration with hardware wallets like Trezor. Moving your private keys to a physical device that stays offline is the industry gold standard for securing significant amounts of crypto. The Beam wallet provides a strong, privacy-focused foundation. But as with any self-custody wallet, its safety is directly tied to your security practices. Use a strong, unique password, enable biometrics, and most importantly, guard your seed phrase with your life. Do your part, and the Beam technology is designed to do the rest.